Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to easily take in a skirt. So I am just going to hem it first because it was a little long. I'm going to take in the waistline so it will fit her perfectly, and it's going to be super easy, you guys. There is no seam ripping whatsoever. You are going to love this technique, so stay tuned if you want to see how. 22, I'm going to mark it. No, that's not TikTok. Oh, super easy. You're just going to fold it once and twice and then sew along the edge. That is super easy. Just be sure that it is evenly spaced. So this is about 2 inches. Same thing here, and I'm just going to stitch it along here. Okay. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it is so cute. And yeah, my daughter is going to love this. This is going to be perfect for fall or any season really, just because it is so stinking adorable. So I think she's going to be super happy when she sees this. She saw something like this on Shein and she told me she wanted one, but I was like, you know what, I got you covered. So here it is. And look at the back, we created a small pleat. Going to add details to the skirt. The good thing about this trick is you don't have to cut or seam rip on the waistline. I use this technique in so many of my skirt alteration. It's just so easy. I think anyone can do it. Actually, if you don't feel like sewing or if you don't know how to sew, just put a safety pin right here and you are good to go. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you, and if it did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Bye.